Okay guys, today I'm building 5 motorcycle guys. Like I'm building 3 from the beginning to finish and 2 custom made guys. Oh guys, this is the bicycle thing that you see on my page. If you are seeing those bikes that look like bicycle, those are motorcycle guys. This is how it's made. I bought those pipe from the scrap yard yesterday, and this one too is also another one. Today I built 2 bikes. These are the bicycle thing. I built 2 today, and I believe tomorrow I will still do this one because it's late already. So guys, I want to take this time and thank you guys for your encouragement and support. Thank you guys for sharing me, and my big thank goes to Mr. Lucky Odu that come all the way from Abuja to Benue State, all the way to Boko, right here in my house to video me that I paid this guy nothing. Thank you so much, sir. If you're watching this, I thank you, I appreciate. And my big thank also go to Mr. my UK money. I thank you, sir. If you're watching this, thank you so much that you came all the way from Makodi here in my house with Omo Benwe to video me. Thank you so much, Omo Benwe TV. Thank you so much, Omo Benwe. If you are watching this thing also, thank you, sir. And my big thank also go to Doris Talmon that you came here to document me also and post me in your social media, and I paid those guys nothing, but they were helping. When they see a brother struggling on the street, they show some love and help. I thank you so much, guys. I thank you so much. Thank you so much. I don't have anything to reward you guys, but God will bless you. And I thank each and every one of you that have been posting me on your social media handle, sharing my posts, sharing my work, posting me around. Thank you so much, guys. Without you guys, I'm nothing, because I've been doing this thing for years. No one. Sometimes I will post my work. I will do a bike right here. The bike will turn up nice. I will post it online. No one. I will wait like 2 to 5 hours. I will come and check this post. Sometimes we get no comment, no view. And sometimes I will post my work and tag my friends. Sometimes we come up and see 2 comments. The other comment will be my friend that I tag, telling me, man, I don't do construction work. Stop tagging me all those things in my page. Some people will be like, hey man, I have warned you, stop doing it. Those are the comments I used to get. Sometimes 2 comments. But with you guys now, I'm being known. People I'm showing some love that telling me, hey guys, what you are doing is good. And I believe that what I'm doing is good. Thank you so much, guys. Without you guys, I couldn't have known myself to this level, guys. So thank you. So I want to show you guys how this thing is made. This is the BMX CUB motorcycle. That's one that look like bicycle. It's a pipe, and those are pretty strong pipe that I got from the scrap yard. You can look at those pipe, guys. Tomorrow I will turn this thing like this also, guys. So this is how the BMX CUB is made. So guys, this is what I've been doing. Let me put the mic here. And thank you guys, thank you so much for your support and love. You have been showing love. Thank you, my brothers. Thank you. So the BMX CUB, this is how it's made. So if you are watching this, Mr. Lucky Odo, I thank you so much, and thank every one of you. Thank you so much. Nobody today I start do this thing now. Sometimes we ask myself, I'm not stealing goat. Even person where they steal goat, they post up on social media. It's been known, but me, I will do this thing and post. Nobody will like. Thank you guys. My big thank go to Mr. Okeyima. If you are watching this, thank you so much. So guys, if you want to watch how I do those bikes, this one is not a video tutorial. If you want to watch my video tutorial how I build those bikes, kindly I will leave my YouTube link in the comment section. You can go and check that. If you click on that link, it will take you straight to my YouTube channel where you can subscribe and start following me up, or you can search Lubem TV. I will keep it on the screen and search Lubem TV, and you will see me on YouTube. From there you will start following me up, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Without you guys, I'm nothing. May this good God I serve bless you guys. Thank you. May this good God reward you. Without you guys, I'm nothing. Today I'm working in a shop, and you see I built 2 bikes today. 2. This BMS thing I built 2. Before this thing take me 5 days to build this thing, one of this frame, but today I built 2 in no time, guys, because of the new equipment I have. Those 2 things are pretty fast. This one can weld very fast, and this machine can cut this iron very fast. And you can see this is the one I used to use. This one will give me headache cutting iron. Thank you guys for your support. Without you guys, I couldn't have the encouragement to do all of this. So I'm all, like I say, you are the one that is doing this thing for me. Thank you guys. Without you guys, I'm nothing. I'm just nothing.